10 healthy smoothie recipes that can help you on your weight loss journey. Smoothies can be a healthy component of your diet if you choose ingredients that promote digestion, burn fat, and reduce inflammation. Here are the 10 best and healthy smoothies for your weight loss journey. Number 1. Summer Berry Smoothie. Thanks to its high amount of antioxidants and protein, my summer berry smoothie, which can be made year-round with frozen berries, helps to target stubborn abdominal fat and support weight loss, Palinski-Wade explains. Greek yogurt, she claims, also gives you a daily boost, which can help you obtain more CLA, a fatty acid found in dairy, meats, and vegetable oils that has been proved to help you lose weight faster. Number 2. Crio Bru Smoothie. This smoothie is a game-changer, made with Crio Bru brewed cacao, bananas, cocoa powder, cashews, and, believe it or not, frozen cauliflower. Number 3. Peanut Butter Blueberry Banana Smoothie. This antioxidant-rich smoothie, made with only 6 ingredients, can be whipped up in minutes and tastes just like a slice of blueberry pie. Number 4. Tropical Turmeric Smoothie. Make this creamy smoothie with fresh turmeric and frozen mango and pineapple pieces for a nutritious smoothie that tastes like a tropical vacation. Number 5. Avocado Smoothie with Boba. Nothing beats chewy tapioca pearls in basil, lime, and an avocado green smoothie. However, because boba isn't high in nutrients, only a few should be added. Number 6. Superfood Sunshine Orange Smoothie. This superfood smoothie is packed with ginger, goji berries, hemp seeds, and citrus and is the perfect way to start your day. Number 7. Banana Peach Smoothie. This nutrient-dense smoothie, which includes frozen fruit, greens, nut butter, and seeds, can help you get your daily dose of produce in the morning. Number 8. Blueberry Peanut Protein Smoothie. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to increase your protein intake? Blueberry, oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, banana, and peanut protein powder are all used in this simple and nutrient-dense breakfast smoothie. Number 9. Kefir Blueberry Elderberry Smoothie. This berry-rich smoothie, which is high in probiotics and antioxidants, can help you speed up your metabolism, feel fuller for longer, and fight flu and cold season like a champ. Number 10. Green Tea Almond Strawberry Smoothie. Sencha is a Japanese green tea that is supposed to help reduce body fat and cholesterol levels, as well as the dreaded post-caffeine crash that comes with coffee. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.